Hi guys, this is week 4 correction. So, this gotcha sentence says, "Why are you so pale, my love?" asked Lysander of his paramour. "Among us, we can solve this problem that affects us so profoundly. Your visage is so lovely." Paramour, once again, meaning somebody he loves. Visage, meaning what you look like. So, first things first, we are going to indent this one because it is a new paragraph, because the last one was the narrator talking. This one is a person talking. So we have dialogue. Whenever a new person talks in dialogue, it's a new person, or it's a new paragraph. So this is Lysander talking. So it's a new paragraph. So you indent, you put quotation marks. Under "Why are you so pale, my love?" is where it starts, and it ends after love. Okay, so going on, next is we have to obviously capitalize the sentence, "Why are you so pale, my love?" It should be a pause here. There should be a comma. "Why are you so pale, my love?" He's asking a question, and he asks the question, "Why are you so pale?" Then he adds the "my love." Because of that, there's a comma in between there. This is a question, so there needs to be a question mark. Now, here's the thing with quotes. Whenever there are quotes in the middle of a sentence, there's always a comma before the quotes, except when instead of a comma, a question mark or a exclamation mark basically replaces the comma. So if this wasn't a question, what we would have there is a comma. Okay? And we're just replacing that with a question mark because it's a question. Okay? Next we have asked Lysander, and Lysander is capitalized. And then, let's see, of his paramour. Okay, there's a period there. So the next part is Lysander's talking again. So we need a new quotation mark, and that ends at the end of it. Okay, we're going to put that there. Now this quote at the end is not in the middle of the sentence, it's at the end of the sentence. So you have a period. Okay? Going on. Now, we would automatically capitalize the first letter here, but we have an issue with this word among. We can't have the word among because it's a confused word. It's not the right word. Between is the correct word for only two people, because he's talking about Lysander and his love. That's two people. So when you have only two people, it's between, and it's capitalized because it is the beginning of the sentence. So it's between us, not among us. Among is three or more. So between us, we can solve this problem that affects us so profoundly. We have another often misused word, affects. This is the wrong one. There's effects and affect. Now, when we're talking about it, affect is to change with an A. Effect is to cause or a cause. This is not a cause. This is a change. So this is A-F-F-E-C-T. So affects, by the way, S. Affects us so profoundly. Your visage is so lovely. Let's see if there's anything else. There is. And the only other thing is the word so is an intensifier. And that's just some information for you. You don't have to change anything else. And that is it with this paragraph. Be ready for the next one for next week. Thank you guys.